Next, let's talk about Amazon DynamoDB. DynamoDB is a NoSQL database service that provides a flexible data models, automatic scaling, and high availability with built-in tolerance. It can handle large amount of structured and unstructured data, making it suitable for wide range of use cases. DynamoDB is a fully managed database service, which means that AWS takes care of underlying infrastructure and database management tasks such as patching, scaling, and backups. Amazon DynamoDB is a fully managed NoSQL database service provided by AWS. It is designed to handle large amount of data with high performance and low latency. DynamoDB is a key value and document database, which means that data is stored in the form of key value pair, with each key representing a unique identifier for an item of data. The value can be of any type of data, such as string, number, or JSON document. DynamoDB provides the ability to store, retrieve, and query large amount of data with low latency. DynamoDB automatically scales the table up and down based on the volumes of requests and automatically distribute the data across multiple servers to ensure that data is always available when needed. DynamoDB offers in-memory cache with DynamoDB Accelerator. DynamoDB Accelerator is a caching service that helps to improve the performance of read-intensive applications that use the Amazon DynamoDB as a backend database by reducing the response time. Some of the key features of DynamoDB database includes automatic scaling. DynamoDB automatically scale the tables up and down based on the volume of request. So you don't have to worry about provisioning or deprovisioning the capacity. Low latency. DynamoDB is designed to provide low latency performance even at scale. High availability. DynamoDB automatically replicate the data across multiple servers to ensure the data is always available when needed. Global tables. DynamoDB allow you to create the global tables that replicate the data across multiple regions for high availability and low latency performance. Streams. DynamoDB streams allow you to capture and process the changes to the data in the real time. Secondary indexes. DynamoDB support the creation of secondary indexes to allow for efficient querying of data in addition to the primary key. DynamoDB is a great choice for use cases such as web and mobile application, gaming, and IoT. It is also a great fit for use cases requiring a high throughput and low latency data access, as well as for use cases that require a flexible data model. DynamoDB may be a bit expensive compared to other NoSQL databases, especially for high write loads. Additionally, it has a limited set of data types and does not support complex data structures like nested arrays or objects. It also has a relatively small maximum item size of 400 KB, which can limit the amount of data that can be stored in a single item. Finally, DynamoDB does not provide built-in support for full text search or graph traversal, which can make it difficult to perform certain types of queries.